Good morning students, welcome to English class 8. Previous class we have discussed about the grammar. Let us have the one lesson and one poem we have completed. Let's go for the second lesson, that is the boy who sold wisdom. You all know the meaning of wisdom. What is the meaning of wisdom? Wisdom means knowledge, we can say. By seeing the topic, the boy who sold wisdom. Wisdom can be sold in the market? No. Knowledge हम बेच सकते क्या market में? No, it can't be sold with the price like a commodity in the market. But here the boy is there. He is going to sold his wisdom in the market. It's a story how he used to success in his life by selling the wisdom in the market. Let us see, before going to the lesson, they have given the pre-reading task. One small story of Akbar is there. I hope you have heard so many stories of Akbar and Birbal. So let us, one small story is there. I will read out that one. King Akbar received a letter from a neighboring king asking for a pot full of wisdom. King Akbar received a letter from neighboring king. उनके पड़ोस के राजा ने क्या भेजे थे मैसेज? एक पॉट फुल ऑफ विजडम, एक मटकी भर के विजडम चाहिए था उनको. He in turn consulted his clever jester to Birbal. At that time, how pot full of wisdom can be given to the neighboring king? So that's impossible. Then he consulted to his brave, that is very knowledgeable person, Birbal. He has given this message to the Birbal, and let us see what is the message of the Birbal. What the Birbal will do for selling this wisdom? Not selling, to give the pot full of wisdom to the neighboring king. Birbal requested the king to give him some time to give a pot full of wisdom. Birbal requested him to give him some time to give a pot full of wisdom. He asked some time. I want time to give a pot full of wisdom to you. So what he has done, the king agreed. He has told the neighboring king that I want a time to give you a pot full of wisdom. Is it possible to give a pot full of wisdom? No. एक घड़ा भर के हम विजडम दे सकते क्या उसमें विजडम भर के? No. So let us have the plan of the Birbal. Birbal की चतुराई देखेंगे हम. The king agreed. So Birbal grew a pumpkin in pot and gave it to the king. Birbal ने क्या करे? ओ मटकी में क्या एक pumpkin उसमें ही ग्रो करे, पॉट में पंपकिन को. द किंग इन रिटर्न, सो बीरबल grew a pumpkin in a pot and gave it to the king. Then it is given, the pot is given to the neighboring king because neighboring king asked the pot full of wisdom. So he has given pot full of pumpkin. The king in turn sent it across to the neighboring king with a note. उसी के साथ एक मैसेज भेजे थे किंग और अकबर ने. The wisdom should be removed without damaging the pot or the wisdom in it. What message it has been given? The wisdom should be removed without damaging the pot. When you are going to remove the pumpkin, जब pumpkin pot से निकाल रहे थे तो तब क्या नहीं होना? pot को डैमेज नहीं होना और pumpkin भी डैमेज नहीं होना. Like this, you have to remove the pumpkin from the pot. This message has been given by the king to the neighboring king. ऐसा उन्होंने लिख के भेज दिए. So what the neighboring king will do? Let us see. This wisdom wisdom should be removed without damaging the pot or the wisdom in it. If you damage either of them, you should be ready for the battle. If you damage that one, any one of, if you damage the pumpkin or if you damage the pot, अगर तुमने पॉट को और पंपकिन को दोनों को भी डैमेज करे तो युद्ध के लिए रेडी रहना तुम. दिस मैसेज हैज बीन गिवन टू द नाइबरिंग किंग. द नाइबरिंग किंग वाज सरप्राइज्ड टू सी द पॉट फुल ऑफ विजडम. वो पॉट और उसके अंदर विजडम मीन्स पंपकिन देख के बहुत ही हैरान हो गए किंग ने. रियलाइज्ड हिज मिस्टेक एंड fell at the emperor's feet. He begged the emperor forgive him. He begged to the king that please forgive him because it can't be given. The wisdom can't be given with the pot full. हम बोल सकते क्या हम इतना भर के आपको नॉलेज दे देंगे बोल के? No, that's impossible. That's the reason the neighboring king asked sorry for the king. This is the brilliance of the Birbal. Birbal की चतुराई बोलते हैं. Some 2 to 3 questions has been asked. Let us see. What was the demand of the neighboring king? Neighboring king का डिमांड क्या था? He wants a pot full of wisdom. How did Birbal get a pot full of wisdom? Birbal grow a pumpkin in the pot and he has been given to the king. What is the meaning of pot full of wisdom? What's the meaning of pot full of wisdom? What's the meaning of pot full of wisdom? Just you think. Let us read and enjoy. Here, the boy, the name of that boy was Nagendra. In our lesson, he wants to sell the wisdom. Nagendra was orphaned and found himself without a job. कोई भी नहीं थे, ऑर्फन था ये नागेंद्र, माता या पिता कोई भी नहीं थे. So he wants to send he is in search of a job. उसको उन्होंने एक काम के necessary, he used to search in search for the job के लिए सर्च कर रहा था. He was clever and he had learned many things by observing his father. He was clever and he had learned. बहुत कुछ अपने पिताजी से सीख लिए थे उन्होंने. पास्ट बहुत कुछ अपने पिताजी से सीख लिए थे. Learned many things by observing his father. One day he had a brilliant idea. बहुत ही brilliant idea आया उसके दिमाग में. What is that idea? He went into town and hired the smallest and cheapest place he could find and set up a shop. He went into the town. Earlier he used to live in the village. Then he went to the town in search of a job and he searched the small place, small shop, and hired the smallest and cheapest place. एक बहुत ही छोटा सा और बहुत ही कम रुपीस में आने वाला एक जगह, प्लेस he hired. He could find and set up a shop. वहां पे एक शॉप खोलने का था इनको. He spent a few nickel coins he had. अपने पास थोड़ा निकल का कॉइन था. Coin he had on paper, ink and a pen. क्या क्या था उसके पास? Coins, paper and pen. Only these substances are there. Few nickel coins he had on paper, ink and a pen. Paper, ink, pen and he had a coins, nickel coins. Over his shop he put a placard that say means अपने दुकान के ऊपर उन्होंने बोर्ड लगाया, एक बहुत ही बड़ा सा बोर्ड लगाया, wisdom for sale. On that it has been written that wisdom for sale. यहाँ पे क्या मिलता मेरे शॉप में? wisdom for sale. I can sell the wisdom. He has written on the his shop, that is wisdom for sale. Is it possible? Let us see by seeing the story. Over his shop he put a placard that placard means the board which is there on the shop. Wisdom for sale. All around him were merchants who had large shops. उसके पूरे आजू बाजू सराउंडिंग में बहुत बड़े बड़े मर्चेंट्स थे. They sold clothes. Some of they are going to sell the clothes, jewelry. और एक पड़ोसी तो ज्वेलरी का शॉप था वहां पे. Fruits, they are going to sell the fruits, vegetables and things that people bought every day. Our grocery shops. Every day we are going to use those products. Those are there around the Nagendra. He hired a place in the town and he had a nickel coin, paper and pen and ink he had. Ink. So these substances he had. With this he used to sell the wisdom. Let us see how he is going to sell the wisdom. All around him were the merchants who had large shops. They sold clothes, jewelry, fruit, vegetables and things that people bought every day. Nagendra called out. He used to say aloud, all kind of wisdom for sale. What he used to say? All kind of wisdoms are available here. हर एक काइंड के, हर एक टाइप के विजडम यहाँ पे मिलता मेरा दुकान में, बोल के चिल्ला के बोल रहा था. All kinds of wisdom for sale. Reasonable prices. प्राइस भी उतना ज्यादा नहीं है. Reasonable price means everyone can purchase. For that we can say reasonable price. प्राइस उतना ज्यादा भी नहीं है, उतना कम भी नहीं है. Everyone can purchase. Reasonable price is there for the wisdom. They sold. Nagendra called out all kinds of wisdom for sale, reasonable prices. The people who had come to buy things could not see anything in his shop, but could only hear the words he has shouting. The people who came to buy the vegetables, jewelry and clothes, सभी ने दुकान की तरफ देख रहे, but दुकान में तो कुछ भी नहीं है. Nothing is there in his shop. Only he is shouting. All type of wisdom can be found in my shop. But shop में देखे तो कुछ भी नहीं है shop में. Nothing is there in shop. Then all they have surprised. Nothing is there in his shop, but how he can sell wisdom? दुकान में देखे तो भी कुछ नहीं है, but कैसा बेच रहा हो wisdom को? But could only hear the words he was shouting. They crowded around and laughed at him. बहुत सारे लोग जमा हो गए, इकट्ठे हो गए एक तरफ. And they laughed at him. सभी उस पे हंसने लगे. इस पे Nagendra. Everyone could laugh at Nagendra. No one got even one piece of wisdom from him. कोई भी एक piece wisdom में नहीं खरीदे थे. Everyone there, they used to laugh. No one got even one piece of wisdom from him, but he was patient. Patient means he had a patience. सभी लोग हंस रहे तो बहुत गुस्सा था. When the teacher used to teach the lesson means the students are laughing means they will get the angry. Like that, Nagendra used to say that I have a wisdom to sell, but everyone, the crowd, they used to laugh at Nagendra, but Nagendra was patient. बहुत ही पेशेंस से उन्होंने चुपचाप रहा. कोई भी कुछ खरीदे नहीं, फिर भी बहुत ही चुपचाप रहा नागेंद्र ने. One day, Babu, a rich merchant's son. One day, Babu, he wants to purchase the wisdom. Babu was a rich merchant's son. बहुत ही एक rich merchant का son था, ये बेटा था. Happened to pass by and heard the wisdom seller hawking his wares. Wisdom, wisdom of all kinds. He was a stupid boy. He didn't know what was really being sold. He thought it was vegetable or a thing he could hold in his hand. So he asked Nagendra what it would cost per kg. Nagendra said, I do not sell wisdom by weight. I sell it by quality. Babu, a great rich merchant's son, he was passing through the shop of Nagendra. At that time, Nagendra used to say that wisdom can be sold here. Then he asked the price of the wisdom. That for what, how you are going to sell this wisdom? What is the cost per kg? बाबू ने पूछ लिए वहां पे कि 1 kg को कितना कॉस्ट है. It can be given in a kg? No. So Nagendra told that it is going to be sold in a quality. Quality के अनुसार the wisdom can be sold here. So wisdom of all kinds. He was a stupid boy. Here you have to mention who was stupid boy. Whether Nagendra or Babu. Who is stupid boy here? Babu was a stupid boy that उन्होंने क्या पूछ लिए थे नागेंद्र को 1 kg को कितना कॉस्ट होता. So the stupid boy Babu, he didn't know what was really being sold. इसको पता भी नहीं था कि इसकी दुकान में क्या बेच रहे थे बोल के. He thought it was a vegetable or a thing he could hold in his hand. उतना सीरियस नहीं लिए थे ये क्या बेच रहा था बोल के. इट मे बी वेजिटेबल और वेजिटेबल्स रहने दो या और कुछ थिंग रहने दो. आई कैन होल्ड इट इन द बैग. हाथ में पकड़ सकता हूं मैं बोल के. कौन सोचे थे यहाँ पे? बाबू. इसीलिए पूछा कि कैसा केजी है बोल के. ही डोंट नो व्हाट इज विजडम आल्सो. दैट्स द रीजन ही हैज बीन कॉल्ड एज अ स्टूपिड बॉय. ही आस्क्ड नागेंद्र व्हाट इट could cost per kg. Nagendra said, I do not sell wisdom by weight. I sell it by quality. मैं तो केजी पे नहीं बेचता, ये बेचने का चीज भी है नहीं है. I will sell it by quality. क्वालिटी के अनुसार मैं बेचता हूँ बोल के नागेंद्र ने जवाब दिए बाबू को. बाबू put down a nickel and asked Nagendra to give him a nickel's worth of wisdom. Fine. In those days they are going to have a nickel coins. He has given a nickel. इससे जितना wisdom आता उतना मुझे दे दो. It is to be said that he has given a nickel and said that worth of this price. जितना price, जितना whatever the price I have given you, उससे जितना विश्राम आता उतना मुझे दे दो बोल के बाबू ने बता दिया वहां पे. The boy took out a piece of paper and wrote on it. एक पेपर लिया उन्होंने, उसके पास तो piece of papers थे. एक पेपर लिया उन्होंने और लिखने के लिए स्टार्ट करे. What he has written and wrote on it. It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting. This is very important. What it has been written there? It is not wise to see. It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting. जब दो लोग झगड़ा कर रहे तो वहां पे ठहर के देखना अच्छी बात नहीं है. This has been written on the piece of paper. He thought it was I do not sell wisdom by weight. Piece of paper and wrote on it. It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting. And he asked Babu to keep it tied in his turban cloth. A piece of paper क्या करो, तुम्हारे वो टर्बन क्लॉथ है ना, वो क्लॉथ में बांध दे दो इसको. That is piece of paper. In that paper he has written that it is not wise to see that when two people are fighting. जब दोनों झगड़ा कर रहे तो वहां पे ठहर के देखने का that is अच्छी बात नहीं है. So that paper has to be tied in his turban cloth. He told to the Babu. Babu went home and showed his father what he had got. Nicely. Babu was a stupid boy. Then he went home and that paper it has given to his father. Father, just see what I had bought. पिताजी देख लीजिए एक बार मैंने क्या लेके आया. I bought some wisdom for a nickel and I have it here tied up inside this turban cloth. मैंने एक निकल को I had purchased the wisdom. See, this is the wisdom which I have bought for a nickel. मैंने एक निकल देके उसको इतना wisdom लेके आया. Just you see. Then he handed over this paper to his father. The father untied the knot. गांठ मार लिए थे उसको. Looked at the scrap of paper. Some small piece of paper is there. And read what was written on it. It is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting. उस पे लिखा था कि it is not wise to see when two people are fighting. जब दो झगड़ा कर रहे तो वो देखने का wise नहीं है, वो अच्छी हैबिट नहीं है बोल के उस पे लिखा था. He was furious. बहुत ही घबरा गए पिताजी ने. तुमने एक निकाल देके a piece of paper लेके आए. He screamed at his son. अपने बेटा को बहुत ही गुस्सा कर लिया उन्होंने. Furious means very angry. बहुत ही गुस्सा कर लिया. तुमने एक निकल बेच के एक पीस ऑफ पेपर लेके आए तो. He was very furious on his son. You fool! Paying a nickel for this nonsense? एक nonsense काम की नहीं है ये piece of paper. For a nickel, एक निकल के तुम एक piece of paper लेके आए. How nonsense you are! He scolded to his son. Everyone knows you should not stand and watch two people fighting. सभी को पता है जब दो झगड़ा कर रहे तो वहां पे रुक के देखना नहीं. Everyone knows this. Then he went to the marketplace and stormed means rush. Rushing very fast. Storm means rushing very fast. बहुत ही fast गए market में. Who? Babu's father, merchant. He was a rich merchant. Then he went to the marketplace and stormed into Nagendra's shop. नागेंद्र की शॉप में घुस गए अंदर and scolded it soundly. बहुत जोर जोर से नागेंद्र को गालियां दे रहे थे, डांट रहे थे. You scoundrel, you have cheated my son. You scoundrel, you have cheated my son. तुमने मेरे बेटा को बहुत ही चीट कर दिए. He is a fool and you are a cheat. वो एक मूर्ख है. He is a fool and you are a cheater. तुमने उसको चीट कर दिए. Return the nickel or else I will call the police. He has given a nickel point. Return that one, otherwise I will call the police. This is said by the merchant, that is Babu's father. He was very furious. Then he rushed to the Nagendra shop and scolded very loudly that everyone can hear. You cheat. My son is a fool. You have taken a nickel. You return that one. Otherwise, I will call the police. जब आप तुम रिटर्न नहीं करे तो मैंने पुलिस को बुला देता. then I will give you back the money. जब मेरा विजडम तुम वापस करोगे तो मैं आपका निकल कॉइन दे दूंगा. Give me back my wisdom and you can have your money back. Gupta, the merchant throw the scrap of paper at the boy and say, Gupta, who is Gupta here? Babu's father. Merchant. There, now give me back my money. Nagendra said, take this your piece of paper and give me my nickel. No, you have not given me back my wisdom. Nagendra told that you have not given me my wisdom because you have already read it. You will have to sign a document saying that your son will never use my advice and that he will always stand and watch people fighting. My advice, my wisdom was, don't stand when two people are fighting. मेरा एडवाइस क्या था, मेरा विजडम क्या था, जब दो लोग झगड़ा कर रहे तो वहां पे रुक के देखना नहीं है. तुम एक डॉक्यूमेंट में साइन करो कि मेरा बेटा कभी भी नहीं वहां पे ठहर के देखेगा. जब दो झगड़ा कर रहे तो वहां पे ठहर के देखेगा. So this is one big question to the merchant, that is Gupta. How is this possible? जब दो झगड़ा कर रहे तो वहां पे रुक के नहीं देखना. ये एडवाइस किसका है? नागेंद्र का एडवाइस है. ये विजडम किसका है? नागेंद्र का विजडम है. बट हाउ इट कैन बी रिटर्न? सो साइन ए डॉक्यूमेंट दैट, एक डॉक्यूमेंट में साइन करो कि मेरा बेटा जब दो झगड़ा कर रहे तो वहां पे रुक के देखता बोल. सो यू आर गोइंग टू रिटर्न माई विजडम. देन merchant was, let us see what he will do. The passers-by means जो लोग वहां से गुजर रहे थे, सपोर्टेड नागेंद्र. किसको सपोर्ट कर रहे थे? वहां जो लोग गुजर रहे थे नागेंद्र को सपोर्ट करे. So Gupta readily signed the document and took his money. He was happy that he had been easy to undo his son's foolish bargain. So he told that, he has agreed. Gupta agreed that my son will never see, he will see when two people are fighting. जब दो झगड़ा कर रहे तो वहां पे रुक के देखता मेरा बेटा ऐसा बोल के एक डॉक्यूमेंट के ऊपर साइन करके उसका एक निकल पॉइंट लेके घर गया. The passers-by supported Nagendra, so Gupta readily signed the document and took his money. He was happy that it had been easy to undo his son's foolish bargain. बहुत ही खुश हो गया. Who? Babu's father, that is Gupta. He told that Babu was a foolish boy. He मूर्ख है. He was foolish. That's the reason he rushed to the Nagendra shop and he said that my son will see because he wants to return the wisdom. I hope you are understanding. उसको अपने विजडम वापस देना था. वापस दिए तो ये निकल वापस देता बोल के नागेंद्र ने बता दिए थे. तो वापस कैसा देना? तो ही साइंड इन ए डॉक्यूमेंट दैट मेरा बेटा आपका एडवाइस कभी भी फॉलो नहीं करता. वो एडवाइस क्या था? जब दो लोग झगड़ा कर रहे तो वहां पे रुक के नहीं देखना. तो मेरा बेटा कहाँ पे भी रुक के देख सकता. कोई कैसा डॉक्यूमेंट में साइन कर दिए उन्होंने. साइन करके then he went to home with very happily. बहुत ही खुशी खुशी से घर गया उन्होंने. Because of the foolishness Babu had made. So let us see in the next class what will happen by going home. Okay, thank you.